Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change your name on Facebook. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you looking for how to change a name in your Facebook account. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your Facebook application. You might be have Android device. My one is iOS. Those are almost same, so no need to worry that much. So open your Facebook application, and the down you're going to find here your profile icon. Simply click over there and then you scroll down, and then you're going to find here something say settings. After click over settings, you're going to find here something say personal information. After click over personal information, you're going to find in here in the general section name. This is your current name. If you decide to change your name, obviously you need to sure that you want to change them, because Facebook is not allow you to every time changing the name. Also, if you for example you change your name, you cannot change your name again tomorrow. You have to wait until 60 days. Even Facebook is not allow you to every time you are changing the name. So you have to make sure the name is it matching with your ID card or etc. You can type here your name. So I'm going to type here my first name, middle name and the last name, and after that you have to click this review change. So after you click the review change, you're going to see the new name is up here Facebook, and here you have to type the password. Obviously you need to type the password your Facebook account currently, and then you need to click this blue icon which is say save changes. After click save changes, your Facebook is going to be up here new name. Also you might be need to log in your Facebook account with before previously login device. So in this simple way you can easily change Facebook name in your mobile device, and it might be Android or iOS. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.